Crafting your personal brand in modeling and acting. In the competitive world of modeling and acting, personal branding can make all the difference in establishing a successful career. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to build and maintain your personal brand. Importance of personal branding. Personal branding defines your unique identity as a model or actor and sets you apart from the competition. It encompasses your image, values, strengths, and career aspirations, helping you attract opportunities aligned with your brand. Using social media to build your brand, platforms like Instagram and YouTube are powerful tools for showcasing your portfolio, sharing behind-the-scenes content, and engaging with a global audience. Consistent and strategic use of social media enhances visibility and connects you with industry, professionals, and fans. Engaging with your audience. Building a loyal fan base involves authentic engagement with followers through interactive posts, responding to comments, and sharing personal insights. Engaging with your audience fosters connections, builds credibility, and enhances your professional reputation. Collaborating with influencers and brands. Collaborations with influencers and brands expand your reach, increase exposure, and provide opportunities to showcase your talents in diverse projects. Partnering with reputable influencers and brands can elevate your credibility and attract new career prospects. Tips for maintaining a professional image online. Quality content. Maintain a polished and professional online presence by posting high-quality content that aligns with industry standards. Avoid controversy. Steer clear of controversial topics to keep your brand image positive. Consistent messaging. Ensure consistency in your messaging across all platforms. Regular updates. Update your profiles regularly to reflect current projects and achievements. By focusing on these key areas, you can effectively build and sustain a personal brand that propels your career in modeling and acting to new heights. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned for more great content. See you in the next video.